Hey everybody, my name is Robert, and today I'll be making some banana bread. All of our ingredients right here. So we have sugar, milk, flour, eggs, vanilla, butter, salt and baking soda, cinnamon, and some ripe old bananas. So I think the first thing we want to do is we want to mush up our bananas. And we can use a fork, you can use a spoon. Me, I'm just going to use my hands because that's how I roll. So the next thing we want to do is we want to take our flour together with our salt and our baking soda. We're going to take our butter into the bowl. So this is room temp butter, so it's pretty soft. That's what you want. You want soft butter. And then we're going to take that with our sugar. And we're just going to beat this till it's nice and light in color and fluffy. And we're just going to keep going with this. When you get to this stage where your butter is nicely incorporated with your sugar and it looks really pale, you want to start adding your eggs. Now, I would add one egg at a time. Next, you're going to add your milk. And then you're going to add your vanilla. A couple drops vanilla. Now we add our bananas, our mushed up bananas. Those are going to go in. And then we're slowly going to fold in our flour. Now here I transfer over to a spatula. And we're just going to probably do this in quarters. So as you can see, I'm slowly dipping that in there. And we're going to fold that in. And our cinnamon. We'll fold our cinnamon in. So somebody told me a long time ago that if you use oil and a bench scraper, that you can actually get the bread to make that noticeable slit down the middle. I let this cool overnight. I'm gonna get out a cutting board and we're gonna cut this bad boy open. We're gonna see how it tastes. This is great. Look at that. Texture, small crumb. It looks really good. That actually looks really, really good. So last but not least, you gotta get the taste test. So I'm gonna break this off. Perfect. Perfect. Moist. Nice dense crumb, but light. Perfect. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. As you can see, I'm still eating it. So good. So banana-y. Love it.